I didn't mention before we took the burners out, but most boilers have a flame rollout plate of some sort that covers just above the burners, right on the front. And usually they're pretty simple to take off, 1 or 2 screws, and sometimes you don't even have to take the screws out, you just loosen them and slip it up and it will come out. This one has a couple of catches that it sits on, and just make sure that it's down on there. And then it has one screw that goes right in the middle, and we'll make sure that the screw hole is lined up. Now you want to have that off to watch the flame, and so just make sure you don't get your face too close when that flame comes on, because if there is flame rollout, it will roll out quite a ways. So watch out for that. People have lost eyebrows and things like that. So just keep your head back and down, preferably, because the flame is going to roll up. And we're going to watch it. And then there's also a flame rollout sensor. This one is actually built onto the end. There's 2 wires that will come off of them. It's a switch. If it senses too much heat, that means that the flame is coming out too much and not going up the flue, and so it'll shut the boiler down. Some of them just look like a little disc, and it may be mounted somewhere up in here or above, so it senses anything heat that rolls up out. But just be careful of those and know if they're there. Sometimes that could be an issue if you come along and the boiler's not working and you're wondering what's going on. Just check all the little sensors. You can ohm them out. Generally, if you get a reading across them, they're working, because they are basically a switch, and if they sense too much heat, they're going to shut off and you won't read any ohms. It'll be your meter won't move at all. So just watch that, and then we're going to fire it up, look at it, see what it looks like. Should have a nice blue flame coming off of it, and we'll see if we get that.